In the fast-paced world of 2026, the convenience of a packaged salad kit is undeniable. It's the healthy shortcut we reach for when the day has been too long and the stove feels too far away. However, as we have seen in recent months, that convenience often comes with a hidden cost. From 37 million pound glass contamination recalls to recurring outbreaks of Listeria and Salmonella, the bagged salad aisle has become a minefield for the unsuspecting consumer. The problem isn't just the greens, it's the industrial infrastructure behind them. When you mix multiple ingredients, lettuce from one farm, cheese from another, and dressing from a third-party manufacturer, into a single plastic bag, you create a complex web of potential failure. To help you navigate your next grocery run, here are 10 salad kits to avoid based on 2025 to 2026 safety data, followed by 3 that are setting the standard for freshness. Please like the channel and subscribe for more amazing updates. 10 packaged salad kits to avoid at all costs. 1. Taylor Farms Honey Balsamic, the 2025/2026 allergen alert. In late 2025 and moving into early 2026, Taylor Farms issued a major voluntary recall for their honey balsamic salad kit. The error, a manufacturing mix-up at a third-party facility, led to Asian sesame ginger dressing being packed into honey balsamic kits. The risk, this introduced undeclared sesame and soy, posing a life-threatening risk to those with allergies. While the recall was technically completed, the incident highlighted a lack of rigorous cross-check protocols in their multi-pack assembly lines. 2. Dole Southwest Kit, the recurring Listeria risk. Dole remains a giant in the industry, but their Southwest Salad Kit has been a frequent flyer on recall lists throughout 2024 and 2025. The source, many of these recalls were linked to cheese components, specifically from Rizzo Lopez Foods, that tested positive for Listeria monocytogenes. The lesson, in 2026, many consumers are wary of complex kits that involve soft cheeses, as these ingredients are often the primary vectors for contamination in otherwise safe greens. 3. Fresh Express Salsa. Ensalada, the multi-region recall. Fresh Express has faced significant hurdles with its salsa, ensalada kits, particularly in the Pacific Northwest and Canadian markets. Like the Dole Southwest kits, these were frequently pulled due to Listeria concerns originating in the dairy toppings. Listeria is particularly dangerous because it can survive and even grow in the cold temperatures of a refrigerator, making stale kits in the back of the shelf a silent hazard. 4. Ajinomoto Frozen Fried Rice Kits, the 2026 Glass Crisis. While technically a meal kit found in the frozen aisle, these products often include pre-packaged vegetable and salad components. In March 2026, a staggering 37 million pounds of product were recalled due to glass fragments found in the carrot supply. This massive failure in physical contaminant screening is a stark reminder that processed vegetables carry risks that whole vegetables simply do not. 5. Signature Select Caesar, the Transparency Gap. Safeway/Albertsons house brand, Signature Select, has been criticized in 2026 for its black box sourcing. Unlike premium brands that can trace their greens to specific fields, Signature Select pulls produce from massive commodity distributors. This lack of traceability makes it nearly impossible for consumers to know if their lettuce was grown in regions currently experiencing water quality issues or agricultural runoff. 6. Kroger Apple Walnut with Chicken, the Undeclared Wheat Incident. Kroger's Salad for One line, specifically the Apple Walnut with Chicken, faced recalls for undeclared wheat in the dressing and topping packets. For those with celiac disease or gluten sensitivities, these hidden ingredients in a product that should be naturally gluten-free are a major red flag for cross-contamination in the packaging facility. 7. Marketside Ultimate Caesar, the bacterial load issue. Walmart's Marketside brand is built for volume and speed. However, 2026 independent shelf life testing found that Marketside kits often showed significantly higher aerobic plate counts, a measure of overall bacterial levels, near their best-by dates compared to competitors. While not always pathogenic, high bacterial loads lead to that slimy texture and off smell that indicate the greens are already decomposing. 8. ReadyPak Bistro Bowls, the microplastic concern. ReadyPak's single-use plastic bowls are a convenience staple, but in 2026, they are under fire for their environmental and health impact. Recent studies on leaching in acidic environments, like a bowl filled with vinegar-based dressing, suggest that microplastic fibers can migrate from the packaging into the salad. If you are eating these daily, you are likely consuming more plastic than you realize. 9. Little Salad Bar, Aldi's supply chain struggle. Aldi's house brand has struggled with consistency. In 2026, reports of extraneous organic material, bugs and weeds, in their spring mix and Caesar kits have popped up in consumer forums. While natural, finding a dead grasshopper in your lunch indicates a failure in the triple wash and optical sorting stages of production. 10. President's Choice Mexican-style street corn, the cheese connection. This kit was another victim of the widespread 2024 to 2025 Listeria outbreaks linked to contaminated cotija and feta cheese. In 2026, the advice remains clear. If a salad kit relies heavily on imported or mass-produced soft cheeses, your risk profile increases exponentially. 3 salad kits that are really fresh. If you want the convenience of a kit without the industrial aftertaste, these 3 brands are leading the 2026 clean green revolution. 1. Garden Cup, the layered standard. Garden Cup has become the top-rated salad brand in 2026 for one reason: the layering method. Why it works. Instead of a bag where everything is crushed together, Garden Cup uses a smart cup where the dressing sits at the bottom, followed by heavy proteins, and the delicate green sits safely at the top. The result: the lettuce stays crisp for 5 to 6 days without preservatives because it never touches the moisture of the other ingredients until you shake it. 2. Sweetgreen Outpost, the fresh prep giant. While traditionally a restaurant, Sweetgreen's Outpost delivery kits are the gold standard for office and home delivery. The difference: these are prepped daily in local kitchens, not weeks ago in a massive regional plant. They prioritize local sourcing and offer 100% transparency on where every leaf of kale was grown. 3. Bowery Farming, the vertical advantage. Bowery's vertical-grown salad kits are changing the game. The safety: because the greens are grown indoors in a controlled, soil-free environment, they are never exposed to animal runoff, E. coli, or pesticides. The freshness: they go from the vertical farm to the store shelf in as little as 48 hours, providing a level of crispness that field-grown, bagged salads simply cannot match in 2026. The 2026 Salad Safety Audit. 3 tips. 1. Avoid this slime. If you see even a single leaf of wet or translucent lettuce in the bag, the entire bag is compromised. Bacteria spread through that moisture rapidly. 2. Wash the pre-washed. Even if the bag says triple washed, a quick rinse in a salad spinner at home can remove residual chlorine or cross-contaminants from the packaging line. 3. Check for smart packaging. Look for brands that keep dressings and toppings in separate, sealed compartments rather than loose in the bag. The 2026 Salad Revolution, Smart Sensors, and the Glass Crisis. As we move through March 2026, the packaged salad industry is facing a dual reality: unprecedented technological innovation and one of the largest physical contamination recalls in food history. The fresh aisle is being redefined by digital tools that aim to catch the very errors that have recently sent millions of pounds of product to the landfill. 1. The March 2026 Glass Carrot Recall. The biggest headline of early 2026 is the 37 million pound expanded recall by Ajinomoto Foods North America. While initially focused on frozen meals, the impact on kit-style convenience products has been massive. The root cause: investigators traced glass fragments back to a single carrot supplier. The cross-contamination: because carrots are a staple in many Southwest Asian-style and garden salad kits, this recall has sent shockwaves through brands like Kroger, Trader Joe's, and Taipei. If your salad kit contains shredded carrots and was produced in early 2026, checking the establishment numbers P18356 or P47971 is a critical safety step before you take a bite. 2. The era of smart spoilage detection. To combat the recurring slimy lettuce problem, 2026 has seen the mainstreaming of time temperature indicators, TTIs. These are small, color-changing labels on the bag that react to the cumulative heat exposure the salad has faced during transport. Red means stop. If the label has shifted from green to red, it means the cold chain was broken at some point, perhaps sitting on a warm loading dock for too long. The benefit: this technology allows you to see the invisible bacterial growth that starts before the lettuce even looks wilted, effectively preventing the consumption of pathogens like Listeria that thrive in slightly too warm refrigeration. 3. 2D barcodes and Sunrise 2027. We are currently in the final push for Sunrise 2027, a global initiative to replace standard barcodes with 2D barcodes, similar to QR codes, on all food packaging. Instant recall check. In 2026, you can scan your salad kit with your smartphone at the register or in your kitchen to instantly see if that specific bag is part of an active recall. Transparency. These codes also provide a digital passport, showing you the exact harvest date and the nitrate levels of the soil where your greens were grown. 4. The shift to modified atmosphere, MAP 2.0. Traditional bagged salads often rely on a generic gas mix to keep leaves green. However, 2026 has introduced adaptive MAP, where the plastic film itself is breathable and adjusts its oxygen permeability based on the respiration rate of the specific greens inside. This keeps baby spinach and arugula from gasping for air, extending the peak nutrition window by up to 4 days and reducing the metallic taste often found in older bagged kits. Final safety tip: always look for the packaged on date rather than just the best by date. In 2026, any kit that has been in a bag for more than 7 days, regardless of how green it looks, has lost over 50% of its vitamin C and folate content.